how to recover a file from a snapshot. In this situation, I'm going to recover a SQL database. So in the event that you ever needed to recover a file, you simply need to mount a snapshot as an iSCSI LUN. From the nScaled recovery console, you would simply come to the server tab, and you have an option of either mounting it from the local appliance or from the remote site. The snapshots are going to be the same. In this case, I'm going to mount it from the local appliance. I select my SQL server. I select the time mark that I choose to recover from, so I could either do the most current or I can go back to a point in time as long as I have those snapshots available. I mount it as an iSCSI LUN. I bring up my iSCSI initiator. In this case, I bring up the one on my workstation. I'm going to copy my default initiator name and paste it into the initiator node name box on the console. As you can see, it's activating now as an iSCSI LUN. It takes about 10 seconds or so. And once this is complete, I should get a unique identifier here at the bottom. So it's done. Here's my unique identifier. The last four is going to be 5437. If I bring up my iSCSI initiator on my workstation again, and I click on refresh, there is my iSCSI LUN that is now connected to my workstation. It's currently inactive. I hit connect, click OK, and now I have an iSCSI LUN connected to my workstation. I should start seeing drives show up from disk management on my workstation itself. In fact, we can just go there right now. Let's bring this up. And if I hit refresh, so as you can see, I have a new drive that's connected to my system. This is the F drive. This is actually going to be the C drive of my database, which is now my F drive on my local workstation. I can simply come here, and here is the drive that I've mounted on my system. I can go into the subdirectories, go to my SQL server. There's my database. And here are my database files. And I can simply copy them and then drag them to my desktop, or just copy them, place them right into my desktop. Paste. And now I've recovered that database file to my local workstation, which then I could use to restore my database. Thank you.